Guys, me throw the cornmeal in the hot water, the cornmeal lump up. Me throw the cornmeal down in the drain. The drain get clogged. Alright guys, so today I decided to make some cornmeal porridge. It is my first time making cornmeal porridge. I've tried it maybe about roughly 8 years ago. And guys, that's a story by itself. That cornmeal porridge was an epic fail. Guys, me throw the cornmeal in the hot water, the cornmeal lump up. I try to contain it and me throw the cornmeal down in the drain. That the drain get clogged. The landlord come. Guys, I denied it because me never go tell them say me throw cornmeal down in the drain and block it up. Guys, that was an epic fail. And me tell myself so me not make back cornmeal porridge again. You see, from them time until now, me no like cornmeal porridge, so I don't make cornmeal porridge. But today I decide say me I go give it a try. Nothing beats failure than a try. Right? So we are going to the kitchen and I go try. I'll get little lessons from my spouse. It's not that I cannot make it, guys. So I don't think it's nothing that I cannot do. It's just that me no know. It's just that me no like it and me no want to make it. Just simple as that. But today I'm going to make it. I feel for it. Is that I don't eat it, I just don't like it. So I feel for it, so me I go make some. Guys, if it lump up, don't laugh. And if it come out good, comment down below and say well done or good job. Right? Right. And I'm going to be making it on camera. If it come out lumpy, well, me I go video it same way. And if it come out good, well, that's a plus. Alright guys, so don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, comment, share and subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. So let's get into the kitchen and whip up some Jamaican style cornmeal porridge. Peace. Alright guys, so first you're going to add your cinnamon leaves to the boiling water. Allow it to boil until it extracts that amazing flavor into your water. Afterwards, I'm going to add some refined cornmeal to a bowl and I'm going to kind of thin it out, right? So you add some water and we're going to thin it out. So you want to ensure that the mixture is kind of runny. It's not too thick. So you don't want it thick, you want it runny. You want it very, very light. So you're going to add some water until you achieve that texture. So this is the consistency, right? That is it. So we're all done. So next to the boiling water. So to the boiling water, I'm going to add some coconut milk powder. If you have the natural coconut, guys, it is best to use the natural coconut. You'll get that natural flavor, but we are going to use some coconut milk powder today because we don't have no coconut grater and juice and ready for use, right? The coconut milk powder can work, right? And it's going to taste good just the same. But you know, natural coconut would give it a different taste. But enough of that, guys. So we had some coconut milk powder. I ended up using about 1 pack of the coconut milk powder. And as you know already, me is a Grace girl. So any brand coconut milk powder you want to use, you can go ahead and use that. If you also have the coconut cream, you can also go ahead and use the coconut cream. So we're going to mix everything and get it fully combined. Allow the coconut milk to boil up. If you want to mix the coconut milk powder into a bowl, then you throw it into the pot. You can also do that, but I prefer to just pour it into the pot. Eventually it's going to dissolve, right? So you want to ensure that you stir after it is based on my liking until it is completely boil out to my perfection. I'm going to add the cornmeal. Guys, this is the most important part of the video. This you have to stir while you pour. So once you pour the cornmeal into the pot, you want to ensure that you stir same time. Do not throw the cornmeal in the pot and leave it. No, you're going to stir while you pour. And also you want to ensure that the cornmeal mixture is not thick. Ensure that it is runny. It is runny just like this. You don't want a thick consistency, because once you pour it into the pot, it's going to start to lump, right? So once you get everything out of the dish, you're going to continue to stir. And once you start to stir, you will feel that the cornmeal is getting thicker and thicker. The consistency of the porridge is getting thicker and thicker. And that's it with cornmeal, guys. If you underestimate the amount of cornmeal to add, if you had too much cornmeal in the pot, it will get thick up. You might think that it's very thin, but as the cornmeal boil, it will start to thicken. Feel it. Alright guys, let's see with cornmeal porridge now. I saw me like my cornmeal porridge thin. I don't like thick cornmeal porridge. I don't like when me have to slice the cornmeal porridge out of the plate. Me not like that. So this cornmeal porridge was perfect for me. The consistency was on point for me. So to flavor the pot and to sweeten it, I'm going to add here some grated nutmeg. I'm also going to add a pinch of salt. You want to ensure that you continue to stir the pot and don't leave it unattended. Next, I'm going to add some vanilla, but the vanilla did done. But you can add about 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla. I didn't have enough, but this was perfectly okay. I'm also going to add some rose water and almond essence. I had about a teaspoon. Next, I add some vanilla lasco. You could dissolve it in some water if you please, guys, but it's not going to lump up, so I just go ahead and pour it into the pot and mix it out until it's completely blended. If you have condensed milk, you could go ahead and sweeten with your condensed milk. Next, I'm going to add some sugar and sweeten based on my liking. It's gonna be the best cornmeal porridge you ever had. Oh, it looks smooth. Look like we
once I put in everything bubble up.
And this is our delicious and mouth-watering real Jamaican style cornmeal porridge. Guys, me deal with it. Comment and let me know how I did for my first time making cornmeal porridge. Comment and let me know, guys. One thing me no like though, I like to eat this when it warm, because when it get cold, me I fear cut it out of the dish. And that me can't bother with. Me no like the thick cornmeal porridge story. And this is at work, and as you see, it get cold, but I had to consume it. But bad to bad, it tastes good same way, but me not really like the thick porridge. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, guys, just comment below and let me know how I did. And if you reach so far, just comment, yeah man, you go out with yourself, or comment, good job. Peace out, guys. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Comment, guys, comment, and don't forget to watch the ads.